Here are the mistakes you should avoid during your US visa interview. Number 1, over-explaining. Huwag masyadong mahaba sumagot, dapat direct to the point lang. Kapag tinanong ka why you want to visit the US, answer in 1 to 2 sentences dahil hindi naman nila kailangan ng life story mo. Number 2, kabado to the point na parang hindi ka na sure. Normal lang kabahan pero kapag hesitant at paiba-iba yung sagot mo, nagmumukhang doubtful na to sa consular officer. Listen carefully, answer confidently and calmly, at kapag hindi mo narinig yung tanong, you can ask the consular officer to repeat the question politely. Number 3, memorized or scripted answers. Kapag sobrang rehearsed, obvious na minsan sa consul. Mas okay kung natural, honest, at kahit simple English, okay lang. Hindi naman kailangan ng perfect accent. Number 4, giving fake or exaggerated information. Big red flag ito para sa mga consular officer. Kung magbibigay ka ng fake bank details, fake job, fake travel information, mas okay na honest kaysa mahuling inconsistent yung mga documents mo. Next ay inconsistent answers sa DS-160 forms. Dapat tugma ang interview answers mo sa application form. Ang mga common mistakes, different job salary, wrong job description, different travel dates. Be sure to review your DS-160 before your interview. Number 6, bringing unnecessary drama or emotional stories to the consul officer. Especially for tourist visas, avoid sounding like you want to look for opportunities or for jobs in the US. That can sound like an immigrant intent. Next is giving weak explanation bakit ka babalik sa home country mo. Very important ito for tourist or student visas. Kailangan makita na meron kang stable work or business sa home country mo, you have strong family ties, and you have responsibilities sa home country. Yun na muna for now. Follow for part 2!